Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 6. You're probably thinking, man, we spend a lot of time talking about how to write effectively. And that's true because I want you to get a great grade on your APA research and presentation. So, from that perspective, if you learn how to write great in APA, it's going to help you in a lot of different classes. It's going to make you a great professional writer. That's the goal here. So, more about APA research and documentation, specifically related to our research paper. Be sure to take a look at the course syllabus schedule, to make sure you know when the paper is due so you can start writing, right? Because it's coming up, right? If I look at, of course, the due dates, it's going to be all the way in week 10. So you got to know when week 10 is, what's the due date. Don't just reach out to me to ask. Make sure you look at the schedule because, of course, it's there. It's got the information for you. And I'm happy to help you, though, if you're having trouble. All right, a couple different videos from Purdue OWL. I didn't include them all in the first module because it'll be a little overwhelming, but they're located here. Take a look at those. You have your Chapter 15 overview, only about 9 minutes long, and then you have pick a topic and start your paper, which I go over some details related to how to access the PMI library. I've been personally having trouble with Google Scholar lately, so I've been recommending people use the library to find the information needed to write your paper and pick a topic that's going to be helpful for you. All right. Chapter 15, want to make sure you read that, but also 14 and 15, similar to, of course, what we went over in Chapter 5, but that was chapters 11 and 12. We want to go into Chapter 14 and 15 for week 6. Chapter 14 and 15. Read both chapters. All right, a couple different documents that I have here. Of course, the PowerPoint slides, but I have a sample paper, which is going to be important that you access this sample paper. 7th edition of APA is the version we're on now. I know we talked about that last week a little bit, but the versions change not every year, but every few years, and we're still on 7th, but in the future we could move to 8th edition. And then I have stuff that I got to learn too because some things change by edition. So we're on 7th edition of APA right now. The two things that you have due this week are, of course, your homework. All right. Your homework for Chapter 15 is due on the 16th by end of day. Make sure you get that done on the 16th, which is Sunday. And then your discussion initial post is going to be due on Wednesday. And then your reply is going to be due on the 16th end of day as well. All right, same thing that we've been doing pretty much every week. Homework and a discussion board post. And, of course, all this excellent material that you need to review. If you need anything from me, don't hesitate to reach out. You guys are doing a great job. One of the best cohorts I've had so far. Keep up the great work and let me know if I can support you in any way. Thanks so much.